The four of us decided to go to Igatpuri and just relax there for about 3 days and 2 nights. So here we are at the Pushpak Express, which departs from the CSMT at about 8:25 and reaches by about 11 a.m. That's about 2.5 hours at Igatpuri. Although the train was late by about 28 minutes, but it was fine. We had some good time. And after reaching Igatpuri, we had some breakfast. I did not take the video, but never mind. It was a beautiful breakfast just opposite the railway station, on the right hand side, I would say, to be precise. And from there, we hired a rickshaw at a price of 600 rupees for four of us to reach to nature's Dream Holiday Resort, which is about exactly 23 kilometers from the station. It was a beautiful drive. I enjoyed it. I was sitting in the front, and be along with me, and I'll show you the resort as we explore together. Okay. Thanks once again for coming over to my channel. 23 kilometers from the station, we have arrived at Mango Farms, and we are at nature's Dreamland Holiday Homes, and we came by this rickshaw. We were four of us. That's the reception. Let's see how it's going. So we are inside this resort. Oh, pool to bhaiya not good for use. Cute place for weekends to come with your friends and your family. And here you can see there's a common restaurant upstairs. So here, from here we go. We're going to go up the staircase. Okay, they have something to play here. Oh, that's nice. They got Ludo, they got some billiards, carom, table tennis. Okay, not bad. And we go up. Hungry Birds. Alright, so let's see. Oh. Okay, here's a full-fledged restaurant. A buffet for your breakfast, lunch and dinner. Quite composite. Operational. The view what you get from the restaurant, the poolside. This is cottages. It's a nice place for relaxation.
Beautiful, beautiful. Hi. Cool, man, cool.
This is a deep.
I know. You look like a professional guy, yeah. You're really swimming well. So beautiful. Hi. You should shift, man. Shift to that pool. Shift to the pool. There. You'll enjoy it, really. Hi, Vijay. You look superb in the pool. See, I'm taking a close-up of you, Vijay. It looks superb. I wish I could be with you in the pool, Vijay. Where is Kim Mike? Okay. Yeah. Come on, yeah. It's nice to see getting screwed, man. So beautiful. नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा.
No, we'll go dam. We'll go for a nice walk for 1.5 hours. There's a dam. थोड़ा सा fast चलेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा.
The dam, it's a silver है ये.
Beautiful, lovely.
है तो first class यार.
We just had a toddy. You can see. I'll just zoom in. You see, this is a fresh toddy, which we just had from this gentleman, Santosh. His name is, and where we had was, I'll tell you, we had it inside this hut over there. There's a khatia, and we had this fresh toddy. It's beautiful. See, it was served in a plastic mug with a couple of flies inside, as you can see here also. You see how the flies are getting attracted to this freshly oozing out toddy from this palm tree. Good service, good ambience. It was definitely worth the trip at the nature's Dreamland Holiday Home at Igatpuri. And these are my colleagues. Let me simply put it as, excellent in all respects. In a small village of Mulanje in Igatpuri, one is treated with love and affection, with a genuine smile by the staff, speaks very high of the property. Yes, all the staff, down the line, from the manager onwards, the F&B department, the housekeeping department, maintenance and security were simply good and courteous. As I travel a lot, I know staying inside tent, especially after sunrise to 5:30 p.m. is a disaster, even if your tent is air conditioned. But surprisingly, I found the inside temperature of a tent cottage cool during the daytime. This foxed me. Yes. Well, we were truly floored by their hospitality. Their food overall was fair in taste, quality, and with good portioning of the food that was served hot. Although I was not expecting, our room was promptly turned and serviced daily with complete change of towels and bedsheet. Their property is enclosed amongst the natural lush green plants and trees, making the ambience as close to the nature. Their playroom was equipped with indoor games like table tennis, carom, chess, Ludo game boards, and also a pool table. Well, I would suggest here to bring along one own table tennis bats and balls and boric powder for carom board players. Their beds were definitely comfortable. The Swiss tent cottage was decent in size with king-size bed, a large sofa cum bed, small fridge, Voltas AC, bedside table with electrical points. Their toilets were also decent size, clean with hot water facility and enough lighting. They have, as you saw, pools for kids and adults. They both were of decent size. Although the water was not clear, they cleansed and vacuumed and serviced the swimming pool fit for us to take a dip. Well, overall, a lovely experience and a beautiful property served with courteous staff. You must visit as a recommendation from my side. Thanks for watching.